Ba-dum, bum, bum, bum.
What's that mysterious ticking? Is it here? Is it here? It's kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape, Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore. Ron Weasley. Ron
You're doing
Weasley.
that? I didn't take your note.
Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley. Dumbledore. Hermione, Ron. Harry Potter. Look at my glasses. Harry Potter. Ready? Now, Snape here. Snape. Dumbledore! Hermione. Snape. Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. Now, let's get him in line. Right here. Oh, wait, let's sit them down. Sit.
Yeah.
Wait. Sitting them down. Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. Hey guys, I found the source of a ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay! Now you video me. I do it. What? No, show me. Wahahaha. Voldemort. Ooh, Voldemort. Ba-dum, bum, ba.